Hi, welcome to Simplicity and Such. We were supposed to start a new project today, but life got in the way. So, we're going to do the setup for the new project and do the new project next week. So, sorry to say, you have to make some granny squares. Granny squares! So, for this project, you're going to need 2 granny squares. You're going to need something to close it. So, I'm going to use some Velcro. And you could probably use a zipper. You're going to need a crochet hook. Some scissors. So, we're going to make some granny squares for the next couple days. So, we'll see how many different kinds I can get up. So, let's get started.